Why light speed can't be constant over long distances. Einstein's special theory of relativity states that the speed of light is constant over the entire universe. Postulates of this theory says that the speed of light is approximately 3 × 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Certain experiments like LIGO experiment proves its authenticity. But let's re-examine it. Why this is true? Because if we put those values in equations, this is showing some kind of truthfulness in Earth phenomenal quantifications. Or let's say it fits well in quantum theory equations. Going further, some scientists will say it is because of quantum tunneling. One photon with light weight pushes over the other photon with same force. Or further, they will say it's because of light qualities of quantum tunneling. Why this is false for long distances? The experiments were all concentrated on limited distances. Think about unimaginable distances. Can this be true? First is light is similar to all types of energies. It breaks distributes when interactive ionic gravitational matter forces mutually interact. No interactive force is full vacuum. It can be constant. But the situation in space is no longer the same as that of previous imaginations. Giant supernovas with giant gravitational forces has influence on photons traveling long distances. Next is you cannot change the direction of photons without applying force. Where there is energy loss, there is an intensity loss. This will split those photons. That means splitting and finally total exhaustion over long distances can't happen if velocities remain constant. The problem here is long unimaginable distances and vague hypothesis about least ionic interactions.